I'm a bit rusty at YouTube. I'm dyeing my hair, by the way, today using Punky Colors bleaching kit. My sister here is also joining me today because, yeah, she's visiting and she's cool. I miss her. Let's start off by opening this.
So Hailie's kind of along for the ride on this one, and I'm gonna do a lot of the mixing and
I've done my hair before,
putting
Bethany.
on her hair. She's very capable, but I gotta make sure it's even this time.
I completely forgot how bad this stuff smells.
So we put the powder bleach in, and now I'm gonna add the developer.
She's a much better YouTuber than I'd ever be.
So we're just mixing it up until it's creepy.
I haven't been on here for like 6 months, and yeah, sorry about that. Everyone loses inspiration once in a while, and plus, it's not like you really cared about my channel anyways. I only have like 200 subscribers.
Creamy, drippy mixture here.
You have to take some fruit. Wow, no going back now. Oh wait, shouldn't we section off the hair first so it's easier?
No. Maybe that's the proper way to do it.
Yeah.
I've never done it that way though. Making sure that it's not getting in her, oh shoot, her roots, her scalp.
My scalp, it should be on my scalp.
I'm getting there. I don't want to make sure that it doesn't burn your scalp.
Bethany,
so I'll get all of your hair.
I've used this before. It doesn't burn my scalp.
It's burning my lungs.
Bethany, just make sure you get the roots. I don't want to have weird brown roots.
You won't. I'm good at that. I've done this plenty of times.
5 Sauce released a new song, 5 Seconds of Summer. I don't know if you guys listen to them, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you would know that I really like 5 Seconds of Summer.
I did.
Okay. You should like this video if you like my sister's hair, or if you like my hair. My hair is very orange, but we're not going to use toner. Bethany wants to know how we do this. So first, you always want to use conditioner. 1, to dilute it. 3, if you have a lot of hair, then I guess it helps also. And plus, we don't want to damage the hair any further. Wow, I actually really like that. Wait, I'm gonna section off my hair so I get it all evenly. So, remember how a year ago I was in a video where I was on my hair off, and then I said in the video, the reason why I decided to my hair off is just because, you know, why not? I'm gonna use this more often. I recommend this hair dye.
I'm gonna put the pink just straight on your hair.
I don't want to put this straight on my hair because 1, it will be really dark, and, you know, of course it'll fade, but it takes a while to fade. If you want a really vibrant, light color, you have to bleach your hair first, unless you naturally have really light hair. Then my grades. My future is very bright. Everyone's future is.